Hello guys, welcome to your reading. Welcome back to my channel. So now we are going to do evening thoughts of your person. Okay? So let's take this card. So I would like to place this here. Please think about your person. Please visualize his energy. Please visualize him. If you'll have a photo of him, please look into it so that there will be more clarity in this reading. Why it's slipping from my hand a lot today? Please think about your person. Take his name 3 times. Visualize them. Visualize the energy. Feel them. Take a breath in. Okay. Let's see what your person is thinking. Okay. He's feeling insecure and he's feeling a lot of burden. He's insecure, tired, and he's feeling a lot of burden, lots of responsibility. He's not happy with the sun. He's losing hope. He's losing hope. You're not there. He's put everything in God's hand. He's put everything in God's hand. He's feeling bondage. He's feeling bondage. A lot of responsibilities are in his shoulders. He's feeling very insecure and tired, or not happy at all. In front of people, he might show he's happy, he's carefree, he's joyous, but no. Inside, he's losing hope. He's put everything in God's hand. He's feeling bondage. That card. Now you'll say, why did I take it straight? It came old. Actually, it fell straight and then it was like this. So, which is why I have taken it like that. He feels hurt. He feels completely hurt. He doesn't know how to move forward in this connection. Although he wants to take action, but he cannot. There is no doors open for him to take action. Now, for some of y'all, he doesn't want to take action because he will not take action. He is not a person who takes action. There may be instances where he didn't speak up for you. There may be that. Okay? Let's see. Ten of Swords. Karmic relationship. So basically, for most of y'all, this was a karmic relationship. He showed y'all something that he is not. He was hiding his true intentions, true feeling. He was gaslighting. He was pretending who he was not. It was a calming bond. When he saw you very happy and very light in your own energy, he felt threatened. The dragonfly, light-hearted, and yeah, he shows that he is happy in cameras. Yes, in cameras from in front of people, he shows he's happy, but inside, actually, he is not happy. He feels broken. He feels heartache. Okay, the star. I fell a card. 1 second, guys. Yes, death. Relationship is over. No more second chances. He has lost his hope. He feels that this relationship is death. It's come again. See, death. He feels this relationship is completely over. The magician, clarify the magician. Cut down, yes. Y'all are in separation mode. Silent treatment. Because of that, he doesn't know what to do. It's like a total cut down relationship. A lot of passion is there with the devil energy. Y'all were twin flame. Some of y'all were in this twin flame energy as well. A lot of passion were there. Intense love, burning desire. He feels the passion you feel for him. Not today. That yes, he cannot. He will not take up actions. Not today. You can see this. Not today. Old school. He's a bit conservative or toxic. More than toxic, like more because he's conservative, which is why he's toxic. Outdated thinking he might have this person. The butterfly. This whatever happened in your relationship, it was actually healing your inner child. This kind of karmic relationship happens because there is something in your past that is unhealed. When this karmic relationship happens, it heals your inner child. It heals the trauma bonds that has happened before. Let's see the guidance from the universe. This person misses you, guys. It's not that this person doesn't miss you. With the energy of 10 of swords, I can see, although no matter how many responsibilities, although no matter how much work he does, or he might take up his all time in work so that he cannot think about you, but this person just thinks about you. He cannot stop thinking about you. He will focus on work. He will try as much as hard, but he cannot take his energy. Even in that group of people where he may be in house parties or clubs or anyway pubs, he might be having lots of friends around, he might be drinking and all, but inside he's mourning for you. With the star card and the dead card, I can see he has lost his complete hope that he will ever get you again. With the magician again, with that energy also where he has lost hope, he's put it in the faith of God, in the hands of God. He's trusting his faith unconsciously. He feels the passion, he misses the passion, he feels bondage in this situation, he feels bound in this situation that he cannot take up this energy. He cannot reverse the Ace of Wands. He feels that. With the death again, he feels that he's tired of this responsibility. He wants to leave everything and come, but he cannot because he has his responsibilities. With the Seven of Wands again, since he cannot take up, he it's this thing. Whatever happened with y'all is healing y'all. Believe in your good luck. Yes. So something for you is, please believe in this energy, believe in your good luck. Okay, now this thing I'm taking out for you. Okay, this is for you. That the manifestation and the oracle cards that I'm taking out, these are for you. Okay, guys. So believe in your good luck, believe in your energy, believe in yourself. Okay, y'all may be Sagittarius or this person may be Sagittarius. Okay, we have focus on the positive. Be proud, manifest this person. I'm hearing manifest this person. This person has stopped manifesting you, but manifest this person, at least you will get a closure. This person was also a friend of yours. You have lost a friend also in him. Be proud of yourself, think it through. Okay, so we have got Sagittarius twice and Taurus and Gemini, so high chances of Sagittarius energy. We've got Libra also. Keep your heart open. Okay. Bottom of the deck, we have Aries. Go for it. New moon in Aries. Go for it. So, guys, I hope you like this reading. Thank you so much for seeing this. Also, please like or comment to claim this reading and exchange this energy. Thank you so much.